In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your domain the right way in Squarespace. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so your website shows up at your own custom URL. Before we begin, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace site and that you have a domain you already own, plus access to the account where that domain is registered. Start inside your Squarespace dashboard. Look down to the lower left corner for the settings icon. It's the small gear that opens all of your site's configuration options. Give that a click to open the full settings panel. From there, choose Domains and Email. This section is home base for everything related to your web address and any email settings tied to your domain. Even if you're not changing email today, this is the right place to manage your domain connection. Inside Domains and Email, select Domains. This narrows the view to just your domain options, so you can connect what you already own. You'll also see options to buy a new domain here, but we're focusing on connecting an existing one. Next, choose Use a Domain I Own. This tells Squarespace you're bringing a domain from another provider rather than purchasing through Squarespace. It's the cleanest path if your domain already lives with a registrar like Google Domains, GoDaddy, Namecheap, or another provider. Now paste your domain into the field provided. Enter it as your root domain, like example.com, without HTTP or HTTPS. If you also use a www version, don't worry, Squarespace will help you handle that as part of the connection. Double-check spelling and avoid extra spaces or punctuation, because even a small typo can prevent the connection from working. After you paste your domain, Squarespace will analyze it and guide you through the remaining on-screen prompts. What you see may vary slightly depending on your registrar, but the process is straightforward. If Squarespace displays any notices about existing settings, read them carefully so you understand what will change. Once everything is set, the connection may take a little time to become active across the internet. That's normal. It can be quick, but in some cases it may take several hours for the changes to fully propagate. A few tips as you wrap up. Keep your Squarespace tab open until you see a confirmation that your domain is connected. Refresh the page if it seems stuck, and be patient with propagation. When the connection completes, your site should load at your custom domain, and security will automatically kick in so visitors see a secure connection. That's it. Simple, clear, and done the right way.